Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I achieve this Afro Puff hair in 5 minutes. So guys, if you want to see a detailed beginner friendly video on how I went from a damaged stretched out hair to an Afro Puff hair in 5 minutes, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. Using a spray bottle filled with water, I'm going to go ahead to spray the water onto my hair in order to wet my hair properly, okay guys? And I'll be going in with olive oil, okay, as my hair oil onto my natural hair. So guys, after that, I'll be making my conditioner. I'll be making use of is this Rejoice Rich Conditioner, okay? It's a leave-in conditioner. I'll go ahead to apply it on my natural hair. And then making use of a hair comb, I'm combing out my natural hair, okay guys? So guys, I'll be making use of this super hard gel from Follow Me also, and then I'll go ahead to use it in order to lay my hair properly, okay guys? Because I'll be going for a super sleek Afro puff hair, okay guys? And then making use of a hair brush, I'm just brushing up my hair, okay guys? So guys, using a ponytail holder, I'm going to go ahead to grab my natural hair and then put it in a high ponytail, okay? And so guys, I'll go ahead to braid up my natural hair, okay guys? And so guys, don't forget that this is a beginner friendly video on how I went from a damaged hair, okay guys, stretched out damaged hair to an Afro puff hair in 5 minutes, okay guys? And then making use of a bobby pin, a ponytail holder, I'm going to go ahead to roll the braid I just did, okay guys, and then roll it into a bun, then secure it using a ponytail holder, okay guys? So guys, I'll also go ahead to apply the same hair gel in order to lay my baby hair stroke edges, okay guys? So guys, for my hair extension, I'll be making use of this Be Funky hair extension from X-pression in color 1, okay guys? It's in the style Be Funky and it comes in 3 in 1 pack, okay? And so guys, I'm going to double up the wave or the hair extension and then placing it on my natural hair. I took some of the ends, okay, of the extension and then roll it on the bun. So guys, I went ahead to roll the other wave, okay, or hair extension on top of the bun, okay, in order to achieve the Afro puff hair, okay? So guys, I went ahead to roll it up, okay? So guys, making use of a bobby pin, I pinned it down in order to secure the high puff hair. So guys, I went ahead to place the second Be Funky hair extension from X-pression on top or underneath of the second one, okay guys? And then I started to roll as usual, okay? So guys, I kept on rolling it, okay, as you guys can see. And when I got to the end, I took some of the hair extension, okay guys, then I rolled it around my hair in order to secure the high puff hair, okay guys? And then making use of a bobby pin, I pinned it down, okay? So guys, that is pretty much it. So guys, I went ahead making use of my hands in order to make the high puff hair to look beautiful, okay guys? Make sure that the ends are nice and clean, and also making use of a comb, I went ahead to comb it out in order to remove any knots, okay, and to make sure that the ends are beautiful or looks good. Okay guys, so guys, you just need to try and try to lay it properly. And so guys, that is it on how I went from a damaged straight as natural hair to an Afro high puff hair in 5 minutes. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share. Also, I'll be uploading a tutorial on how I created this makeup look here, right here. So guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Check out my other hair tutorials and makeup videos, okay, as well. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.